Hi guys, welcome back to the Tulipical Makeup channel, and today's video is going to be about lips. We're gonna create two popular lip shapes, sexy plump lips and dull lips. You wanna know which lipsticks and lip liners are better for certain purposes, and how to make your lip liner work on you. So stay tuned and let's get down to business. First important thing I want to mention here is that if you have extremely narrow lips, my advice is to use matte lipstick formulas. Why not lip glosses? Lip glosses are made for volume creation. Well, actually, all shiny formulas underline the texture. And in case with the narrow lips, we plan to hide the natural shape of lips and create the new one. And if you use the lip gloss after over-aligning your lips, you will emphasize your natural lip shape. And believe me that color dimension on the lips creates much more attractive volume than lip glosses. So next tip is about lip liners. Twist-up and crayon lip liners are usually softer in application in comparison with pencil lip liners. If you're a beginner, I will strongly recommend you to use pencil lip liners because, well, they leave less mess when you're trying to correct mistakes. My go-to brands are Makeup Forever, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and Smashbox pencils. And lastly, remember about your skin undertone. If you are a cool skin undertone person, use cool color lipsticks. So that is all for the theory, and let's get into practice. Very cool lip oil, which I can advise you. It has a very nice quality and extremely nice smell. I will be using a lip pencil from Makeup Forever in the shade that is very popular among makeup artists and lip liner lovers. Now let me quickly show you how to use the lip liner. I don't advise pressing the lip liner into the skin. The movements should be smooth and easy, like so. The more we press, the more intense the line will be. And if you are the beginner, your movements totally should be gentle. So here I have marked on my cheek what is right and what is wrong. And now I take a cotton pad and remove the pencil without using micellar water or any other makeup remover. Just a cotton pad. I told you it would be easy, in case with pencil lip liners. I'm going to powder the area a little bit and then start creating the lips. So first, find the cupid's bow and go 2 mm higher, then put 2 dots. These will be the highest points of the lips. Now draw even arcs. If you connect them together, the shape will remind you the top of the heart. The main thing is that they should be equal. I draw one, then I draw the other, and connect them. It really does look like a part of the heart. This is how standard corners look like. But we have to make them higher. So I point the pencil at 35 degrees angle and draw a line that will be higher than our lip corners. The same on the other side. You see, I kinda leave the corners up. That's the direction of the lip pencil. Connecting the corner line with the beginning of the cupid's bow line. I don't bring the line all the way up, but only connect 2 already drawn lines. This is important because if we correct directly from the corner to the highest point of the cupid's bow, we can, so to say, fluff a little and get the effect of lips turned outside out. And only after we have connected the lines, we can smooth the whole lip shape. This is how it looks. For the lower lip, first draw a straight line of the same length as the cupid's bow line. It's important not to go over the natural shape of the lip. The line should be exactly on your natural contour to make the upper lip look plumper. Now draw a line from the corner to the center line, again in the shape of an arc, a little like a convex shape. Connect the corner and the center line. And only then connect all the lines together. Use a synthetic brush to smooth out all the lines and make the color soft. After that, I take a lipstick from Sephora in a peachy pink color and apply it to the center of my lips, blending the color into the lip pencil. The main thing is not to leave any harsh lines. And that's what we've got. It looks very sexy. Let's add some lip gloss only to the central part of the lips. And this is how the sexy plump lips look up close. Let's see a little more how it looks from the distance. And here's the comparison of my natural lip shape and the new lip shape. Let's move on to the doll lip shape. So the secret of this shape is that we artificially shorten the cupid's bow line and raise it 2 mm higher. Similar to the previous variant, we draw 2 dots and connect them. Shaping the highest points of the cupid's bow line, like so. If in the first case we draw a convex line, now we draw a line like inside out, a sort of a smile. A straight line in between, and smoothing the whole shape. Moving on to the lower lips, we draw a line along the natural contour line with the same length as the cupid's bow line. Holding the lip pencil at an angle like so, draw a straight line from the corner to the central line of the lower lip. And make it more saturated. I do the same with the other corner and connect the lines together. Now we want to make a slight correction in order to make the lines straighter. I take a synthetic brush, which can be found in any paint shop, and use color powder to correct the lip lines like so. For dull lips, I cover the entire lips with a lip pencil, leaving no blank spots. The main color matches the lip pencil color, long-lasting lipstick from Sephora in the shade 40, applied with a brush also purchased from the paint shop. Look how the shape resembles the doll lips from the side. Let's add more gloss for comparison. And this is how it looks. This is how it looks from the distance. and let us compare it with the previous lip shape. And remember guys, practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if your first attempt doesn't turn out how you want it. With a little patience and practice, you'll soon be contouring your lips like a pro. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope that this video was useful for you. Thank you for your thumbs up, for your subscription, and see you in my next one.